The more financial news I watch, the less certain I sometimes feel. I may begin the day with a clear plan. I know what I own. I know why I own it. And I know I'm investing for the long term. But then I start reading the headlines. One person says the market is about to fall. Another says this is the beginning of a new bull market. Someone else says interest rates will stay high. Then another expert says rates will fall sooner than expected. After a while, I do not feel more informed. I just feel more confused. The strange thing is, most of the news is not completely useless. Some of it matters. Economic data matters. Interest rates matter. Company earnings matter. But when I consume too much of it, every new opinion begins to feel urgent. I start questioning decisions that made sense only a few hours earlier. Should I sell? Should I buy more? Should I wait? Am I missing something everyone else can see? That is when I realize something. More information does not always create more clarity. Sometimes it creates more noise. The problem is that financial news must constantly give us something new. But good investing often depends on things that change slowly. Business quality, profit growth, debt, cash flow, competitive advantage, valuation. Those things usually matter more than whatever headline is getting attention today. I'm not saying investors should ignore the news, but I think we need to know what information is actually useful to us. If I own a company for the next 5 or 10 years, I do not need to react to every prediction about next week. Now I try to use financial news to understand what is happening, not to decide how I should feel. The more opinions I consume, the harder it becomes to hear my own reasoning. Sometimes the best way to think more clearly is not to find more information. It is to step away from the noise.